Right Honorable Speaker, these are over 40 members and they are standing in disapproval of the vote that you have announced. So I would like to draw your attention, Right Honorable Speaker, to this our rule within our rules of procedure, that we actually now conduct the voting another way, by roll call, by division, so that it is clear. Because, Right Honorable Speaker, what you have announced to us, we believe that the noes carried the day. But you announced yes. And that's why we have stood up. So that it is clarified properly, Right Honorable Speaker. So that's what I'm drawing your attention to, Right Honorable Speaker, within our rules.
I have not heard what you have said because your team is making noise.
Colleagues.
I have not heard what you have said.
Colleagues, first keep quiet so that I read this again to the Speaker. She says she did not pick it. Just keep quiet for a second. Just keep quiet. You don't have to sing. Just... Right Honorable Speaker, let me read this again. I'm waiting for the minister who is distracting our Speaker.
We have the numbers. Because we have quorum. We have the numbers.
Right, Honorable Speaker, let me now read it so that it is very clear. I was quoting Rule 101 of our Rules of Procedure, where we are in disagreement with the vote announcement that the Speaker has made. B, where the Speaker has announced the results of the voice voting, and immediately 40 or more members stand in their places, signifying their disapproval of the outcome of the voice. So, Right Honorable Speaker, again, these members are standing not because of indiscipline, they are standing in pursuit of our rules of procedure. And there are way more than 40, Right Honorable Speaker. And so, in standing, we are saying, let's carry out the vote another way. The Speaker hasn't ruled, Chairman. Let's hold on. I'm still engaging Speaker.
Let's vote, it's okay.
You see, Right Honorable, as I was quoting this for you, ministers were distracting you. Right Honorable Speaker, now that I have your attention and no one is distracting you, let me read this for the third time. Because no one is distracting the Speaker. I would like her to hear this. Honorable Minister. Right Honorable Speaker, if someone is contesting that these are not 40, I can read their names one by one, and you'll discover that we are more than 40 who are standing. Right Honorable Speaker. Right Honorable Speaker. Let me read the names of all the members who are standing, just so that you're sure we are more than 40. Because I'm still engaging the Speaker. I'm with the Speaker. Chairman, come down. Chairman, come down. Let the Speaker first rule. Come down. Chairman, please come down. The Speaker hasn't ruled yet. Chairman, let the Speaker rule. You're not the Speaker. Just come down. Right, Honorable Speaker, I'm still trying to get your attention on this matter. Okay, so the Speaker had said that I mentioned the names of the members who are standing, so that we are sure they are 40. Legal Committee Chairman, the Speaker has issued a directive. It's what I'm following. Please come down. Right, Honorable Speaker, I'm now reading the names. Right, Honorable Speaker, I'm reading the names of the members who are standing.
Madam Speaker.
Let me now read the members who are standing.
Madam Speaker.
Right, Honorable Speaker. Right, Honorable Speaker. Each of the members is going to mention their name, so that we confirm we are more than 40. I would like that we follow the rules. So, as I've drawn it to the Speaker's attention, we are more than 40, but following the rules, the Speaker would like to confirm that we are actually more than 40. So with your indulgence, each of the members standing will mention their names so that we are sure they are more than 40. My name is Ssenyonyi and I represent the people of Nakawa West. That's number 1.
My name is Nyakata Sinas. I represent the people of Hoima City and the Shadow Minister.
Order, Madam Speaker.
My name.
Honorable members, I am going to count.
Procedure, Madam
The
Chair.
clerk is going to count the people.
Yes.
Yes. Clerk, can you count the people?
Honorable Speaker, I thought that for certainty,
I am going to count.
actually, Honorable Speaker,
You count me.
to make it easy, Honorable Speaker.
Can I have the number counted?
Okay, ma, make sure I am counted.
They want division. So what division implies is that they'll sit down and say those who are for I move to one side of the house.
There are how many?
There are 53.
Honorable members, there are 53 members. Okay, now you sit. Sit. All the eyes move to the lobby of the government side. All the eyes move this side. All the eyes move.
Kwanirizaako nnyo kyonna gy'osinza okuba ng'otuwuliriza nkutegeeza nti kuyigi updates TV osinzira okuba nga owuliriza amayengo gano gwe mukwano gwange ali eyo bana nkutegeeza nti notwerayira ku subscribinga ku likinga ku sharinga na ku commentinga ebadde mu parliament obirabye ensonga evudde kuba nti leader of opposition Joel Ssenyonyi agezezaako okuba nga raisinga ababaka mu parliament basobole okuba nga bayimirira ku nsonga z'emmwanyi ezikwatagana n'emmwanyi jjukira nti n'olutalo lw'emmwanyi lwaguseewo mu parliament nga waliwo ababaka abaagala okuba nga babba emmwanyi z'abalimi nga baagala okuteekako amendment bills ku nsonga eyo. Kaakati leero parliament etudde kusobola okuba nga badisikasinga ku nsonga ezo era olutalo luwaluseewo mu parliament ndowooza naawe olaba bulungi nnyo baganda bange tegeeza nti natwerayira ku subscribinga nakula